Hi, this is a beliefs tutorial. We're going to take a quick look at an exam question on the role of religion. Okay, so the question asks you to assess a particular view. In this case, that religion functions to bring about harmony and consensus. It also gives you an opposing view that religion brings about conflict. So the debate is set up for you and it seems easy enough, but this question fools a lot of students, as you will see. In order to answer this question, you will need to use sociological theories. Here are the main ones you can use in this essay, all of which you should be familiar with. I do not intend to discuss these theories in detail in this tutorial, but just show you how you can use them to answer this question. It is your job to then add detail to the framework I give you. So the first thing to do is to consider each side of the argument, that religion functions to bring about harmony and consensus, or conflict. We can then locate the theories in relation to this debate. Let's start with functionalism. Which side of the argument would functionalists support? I would hope that you've gone for harmony and consensus. The functionalists suggest that religion is a conservative force that unites people together, helps them overcome life crises. In doing so, it prevents anomie and helps to create a harmonious and stable society. You could now present some evidence to support this claim. Try bringing in a study such as Durkheim, Malinowski or Parsons. Contemporary evidence would also be good. For example, after the recent earthquake in Haiti, religion played an important part in restoring stability after the devastation. Let us now consider Marxism. Which side of the argument would you put Marxism? Okay, I bet you've gone for this side. As you know, Marxism is a conflict perspective. But now try to explain how, according to Marxists, religion brings about conflict. It's very difficult, isn't it? If we put Marxism this side though, it makes more sense. From a traditional Marxist perspective, religion is a conservative force. It acts like a drug that pacifies people and keeps them in their place. It creates a fatalistic and passive society. For Marx, religion was a social opium. We can place feminism in the same place. Like Marxists, they too would argue that religion is a conservative force, which is a bad thing. Feminists argue that religion keeps harmony and consensus by maintaining patriarchy. Let's now look at neo-Marxism. For neo or new Marxists, religion can be a conservative force that brings about hegemony, domination by consent. Notice how I said can be. They also recognise, as Maduro does, that it can be a voice for protest amongst marginal groups. Religion can help create a counter-hegemony. Take, for example, liberation theology, which was a movement that emerged within the Catholic Church in Latin America at the end of the 1960s, with a strong commitment to the poor and opposition to military dictatorship. As with neo-Marxism, interactionism can be placed on either side of the debate. At a simple level, I suppose it is how you interpret your religion. Your religious beliefs will dictate your actions. The work of Weber is relevant here. Weber was interested in Calvinism, a form of Protestantism that emerged in Europe during the Reformation. For Weber, the beliefs of the Calvinists led to their aesthetic and hard-working lifestyle. This, according to Weber, was one of the key factors in bringing about capitalism. Hence, for Weber, religion can be a radical force. I hope this provides you with a good framework. Read up on these theories and make sure you note down some sociologists and also some criticisms of their work. Have a go at writing the essay. Don't forget to evaluate each theory using criticisms where appropriate. I will see you next time. Until then, goodbye.